To get a cash advance on your Citi credit card, follow these steps. First, understand what a cash advance is, which is when you use your credit card to receive cash, either through an ATM withdrawal or by using a convenience check. Keep in mind that cash advances typically come with higher interest rates and fees than regular purchases. Next, check your available cash advance limit, which is usually lower than your overall credit limit. You can do this by logging into your Citi online account, checking your statement, or calling the phone number on the back of your card. To get a cash advance, you can use an ATM, just like you would with a debit card. Insert your card, enter your PIN, and select the cash advance option. You can also use a convenience check, which is a check provided by Citi that you can use to access your cash advance limit. When using an ATM, be aware that you may be charged a fee by both Citi and the ATM operator. Additionally, interest will start accruing on your cash advance immediately, so it is essential to pay it back as soon as possible. Before getting a cash advance, consider the fees and interest rates associated with it. Citi charges a cash advance fee, which is typically a percentage of the amount withdrawn, and interest rates on cash advances are often higher than those on regular purchases. To minimize the costs, only withdraw what you need, and make sure to pay back the cash advance as soon as possible. You can do this by making a payment online, by phone, or by mail. It is also essential to review your account statement regularly to ensure that you are aware of any cash advances and the associated fees and interest. In summary, getting a cash advance on your Citi credit card involves understanding your available cash advance limit, using an ATM or convenience check, and being aware of the associated fees and interest rates. By following these steps and being mindful of the costs, you can use your Citi credit card to access cash when you need it.